Hi, in today's video I'm gonna share with you a trick that I just learned on how to put the wipers in this position when you need to replace your wipers on 2002 Volkswagen Taos. So if you have a Volkswagen car, you really can't leave this wiper up to replace the wipers. So normally all you have to do is just open the hood, but let me show you the trick that I just learned at the dealership because I had to replace my wipers. So what you do, it's super easy. Turn on the ignition, turn it off, and then push this level down. Now wipers go up and they stay up. That's what you do. So one more time. Well, I'm gonna turn it on. Wipers will go down. Alrighty. So off, on, turn off again, push it down, and the wipers go still like this. Super easy trick. I'm sure it works also on other Volkswagen cars. It's just my first Volkswagen that I got excited and I want to share this with you. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.